Good morning, 5K. So today what I would like you to do is take out your Golly reading book and you are going to open up to page 6. You're going to find page 6. It looks just like this. I'll click on it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to write lowercase g. So what I want you to do is just leave your book down. You are not writing right now because I want to show you how to do it. So I have my ice cream paper here and I have my chocolate chips. Lowercase g, if you can make lowercase o, you can make lowercase g, and I'm going to show you just how to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil, not right now, I'm just showing you. You're going to start at the chocolate chip. Let me come over here so that you can see. You're going to go up and lick vanilla. You're going to go around to chocolate, back up to the chocolate chip. You see that? It's like how you make a letter O, but then you push up. See how I pushed up to vanilla? Then you stay right on that line you made. You pull straight down under chocolate this time and give it a hook. C is one of the only letters that goes under chocolate. I'm going to show you again. You're going to go up and lick vanilla and around to chocolate just like an O, but then you're going to push up to vanilla, pull straight down, and give it a hook. Now, you see how my letter G's have no space here. I traced right back on that side. Sometimes I see this from children. And that's way too much space in there. You need to trace right back on the side of that circle that you made. So watch me over here. You're going to go around up to vanilla. You're going to stay right on that line you made. Trace down, give it a hook. Okay. What I would like you to do is if you make a letter G that looks like this, I want you to erase it, okay? This is not a G. I have children that do that too. The circle for the G fills that whole space. Vanilla to chocolate. So you're going to go vanilla up to chocolate. You're going to push up, pull straight down the line you made, and curve forward. No space. Nothing that looks like this. Because if you upload a picture like this, I'm going to send it back and ask you to erase and redo it, okay? G is really tricky, but it's really important that you learn how to make it right. So what you're going to do is you are going to trace all of your lowercase g's, and then at the bottom, you're going to do the pattern of uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. So then this chocolate chip is uppercase, this chocolate chip is lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. What I would like you to do is pause me right now. So you do this page, page 6, do all of your lowercase g's. Because when you unpause me, we're going to keep going with page 7. But you need to learn and know how to make a lowercase g because you're going to be doing it on this side. So you have to do page 6 first. So do page 6, practice your lowercase g's. I know it's tricky. Here's my advice to you to help you. They give you all of these blue ones to trace. So take your time and trace all of those blue ones because that's going to help your brain and your hands know how to make it, okay? Trace all of these, try your best, and it's okay to erase. That's good. That means you're trying your best and you want to do it right. When you are ready to go on to the next page, push play, and I'm going to take you through page 7. So pause me right now, do page 6. All right, you should have finished with your G's. I can't wait to see them later. And what we're going to do now is listen to Golly sniff through some garbage, and if what Golly finds in the garbage starts with the sound of G, 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 we're going to write lowercase g. That's why I had you practice on the other page. So I'm going to do it with you. We're going to listen for Golly to see what he finds in the garbage. Here we go. Be a good listener. Your pencil is parked. Okay, here we go.
Meet the Super Kids. Student Book, Unit 3, page 7. Listen carefully and follow my directions. When you hear this sound, your teacher will pause this recording so you have time to mark your answer. Look at the green garbage can.
Uh-oh, here's trouble. I've just knocked over Cass's great big green garbage can. Some garbage has fallen out on the sidewalk. What a mess. I guess I'd better try to pick it up and put it back in the can. And maybe I can find some good smells, or even a little snack while I'm cleaning up. What's this? It looks like a little piece of cake made of creamy custard, cookie crumbs, cocoa, and ketchup? It must be left over from one of Cass's crazy concoctions. It smells good, but it sure is gushy. This is the most gushy piece of cake I've ever seen. Gosh, it's gushy.
Gushy. Does gushy begin with the sound g? If your answer is yes, write lowercase g on the lines next to the green garbage can. If your answer is no, mark an X on the lines.
My turn first. Say gushy. Your turn. Gushy. Does gushy start with the letter G? Yeah. So what you're going to do is you are going to write, I'm going to try my best. It's hard on the computer. I'm also going to do it on the book. You're going to write lowercase g on the line. So your entire circle fills vanilla to chocolate, just like it did over here. I will try to do it here on the computer very neatly. When you're done, park your pencil. Okay. When you're done, your pencil is parked. Gushy starts with G. Yep. Okay, here we go. Listen again.
Now look at the orange garbage can.
I'm going to move along and see what's in Gus and Gert's orange garbage can. I guess Gus must have burnt his toast this morning. Here are 2 bits of yucky burnt toast. Not even grape jelly would make this toast taste good. It's yucky.
Yucky. Does yucky begin with the sound g? If your answer is yes, write lowercase g on the lines next to the orange garbage can. If your answer is no, mark an X on the lines.
My turn first. Yucky. Your turn. Yucky. Does yucky start with the sound of G? Yucky. Golly. No. So we need to mark an X on the line. So you take your pencil here by the orange garbage. That toast smelled yucky. He did not want to eat that. So you're going to mark an X. Park your pencil. All right, here we go. We're going to listen to the purple garbage. I wonder what's in there. We had something that was gushy, something that was yucky. Now it's in the purple garbage.
Now look at the purple garbage can.
Maybe there's something extra good in this purple garbage can. I wonder what's in this carton. Oh, it's a few dribbles of vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry ice cream, all melted together. It sure is gooey. Gooey. This ice cream is very gooey.
Gooey. Does gooey begin with the sound g? If your answer is yes, write lowercase g on the lines next to the purple garbage can. If your answer is no, mark an X on the lines.
My turn first. So pretend my hands are on my tummy, right? You can't see my face and my tummy. So my hands are on my tummy. Gooey. Your turn. Gooey. Does gooey start with G? Yeah, it does. So you're going to take your pencil You're going to write lowercase g. Your circle for G fills the space vanilla to chocolate. You trace down on the line you made and then give it a hook. Looks like a fishing hook, like a fish wants to bite it. So I'm going to try my best here on the computer to make this G. When you are done, your pencil sparked if you needed to erase. Good. That means you want to be neat. Okay. Now we're going to listen to the blue garbage. So we had gushy, yucky, and gooey. Here we go. What's in blue?
Now look at the blue garbage can.
Oh, wow! Look at this. A blue garbage can. I bet a blue garbage can will have something good in it. Oh, gosh. Fish bones. Phew, what a smell. These fish bones smell terrible. They really smell terrible.
Terrible. Does terrible begin with the sound G? If your answer is yes, write lowercase g on the lines next to the blue garbage can. If your answer is no, mark an X on the lines.
Okay, my turn first. Terrible. Your turn. Terrible. Does terrible start with the letter G? Golly, terrible. No. So you are going to take your pencil, your regular pencil. You're going to mark an X on the lines by the blue garbage can because terrible does not start with the letter G. Terrible starts with the letter T. You got it. Okay, now we're going to do yellow. Listen for yellow.
Now look at the yellow garbage can.
I put those bones right back in the blue can. Phew, I'm going to look in this yellow can now. Hey! Gosh! A can of dog food. It smells great. What good luck. I'll just pull it out of this yellow garbage can and... Aw, phooey. It's empty. The doggone dog food can is empty.
Empty. Does empty begin with the sound G? If your answer is yes, write lowercase g on the lines next to the yellow garbage can. If your answer is no, mark an X on the lines.
My turn first. Empty. Your turn. Empty. Does empty start with the letter G? Golly, empty. No, it doesn't. We're going to mark an X on the line. Do you know what letter starts empty? We heard about it in September. Yeah, that's the letter E. So we're going to make an X down here. Sorry, when I have to scroll down to get to this page, it kind of, it makes the other letters shift. So my loves, it's okay if they're not on the lines anymore. I just needed to scroll down so I could see those lines. Okay, last garbage. Listen to the red one. I see something that I like laying right there. Here we go.
Now look at the red garbage can.
I found things that were gushy, yucky, gooey, terrible, and empty, but I haven't found anything to eat. I'll look in one last garbage can. This red can. What's this? Oh, I think it's a great big delicious steak bone. Wow, this bone looks great. A steak bone. This bone is great. Great.
Great. Does great begin with the sound G? If your answer is yes, write lowercase g on the lines next to the red garbage can. If your answer is no, mark an X on the lines.
All All right, my turn first. My hands can't be on my tummy. Yours can, though. G, great. Your turn. G, great. Does great start with the letter G? G, great, golly. Do those start the same? Yeah. Take your pencil. You're going to write lowercase g down there. So make sure that your circle goes vanilla to chocolate. You trace up to vanilla, pull straight down on the line you made, and give it a hook. Awesome job. Lowercase g. Let's see if he might tell us to check our answers, but we're not going to do that.
Well, I've smelled some good smells and some bad smells, and I found a bone. That was a good adventure for my nose and for my stomach.
Let's check your answers.
We're not going to do that. My loves, what I would like you to do is have your grown-up take a picture of page 6 and page 7 and upload them to the red reading folder. I hope you had fun learning how to make letter G and then listening to Golly dig through all the garbages. Oh, dogs love stinky stuff. All right, my dears, I love you and I miss you. And here's a kiss for you. Bye, my sweets. You have a wonderful rest of your day.